AutoTraffixPro. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. AutoTraffixPro, new one-click software creates affiliates reviews in 60 seconds that earn real commissions and get real traffic for free on autopilot. Imagine not having to worry about creating new reviews to promote products ever again. Imagine spending just seconds instead of hours setting up your affiliate campaigns. How nice would it be to click one button and have hundreds of people start visiting your offer pages the same day? Imagine being able to earn commissions from different platforms, different offers all at the same time. Imagine being able to use the power of 32+ social networks including Facebook and Instagram all to your advantage and getting free traffic from them in just one click. What would it feel like to be able to have leisure time while the software does the work for you and makes you more money than others? How awesome would it be to get commission checks in the mail from offers you promoted months ago, just keep paying you over and over again? That's what AutoTraffixPro does. We made it so simple and powerful so that anyone, even if you are new to this whole internet software or this make money online experience, you can use this software and get results. If you've tried every other software out there promising to find you mines filled with gold and then never got any result from it, you need to try this. AutoTraffixPro upgrade offers. AutoTraffixPro Ultimate DFY, $97. AutoTraffixPro is a comprehensive software and this upsell is the next logical step. Here we give our students an opportunity to have 20 upcoming live AutoTraffixPro campaigns for them to promote plus 10 of our previous best hot campaigns. This means they will be the first to promote these offers using the AutoTraffixPro system. This is super powerful, being able to promote brand new offers to your subscribers before anyone else. It's like having your very own ATM machine depositing cash into your pocket. AutoTraffixPro Commission Jacker, $67. What if you could take AutoTraffixPro and turn it into an all-in-one video and website profit system? A complete business model automated in just 2 minutes by turning other people's websites into your own sales machines. Legally and ethically. You want to make as much income as possible for the tiniest amount of work in the shortest period. Right, you're in the right place. AutoTraffixPro Commission Jacker is like stealing other people's websites to generate online profits for yourself. AutoTraffixPro $1K paydays, $197. Here your customers will discover the secret methods to generating multiple $1K paydays using just this one simple technique. Without the need of a domain, website or hosting. Doesn't it make more sense to do the same amount of work you're doing now and get paid 50 to 100 times more? Now you can with AutoTraffixPro $1K paydays. AutoTraffixPro non-stop traffic, $77. This limited time offer will 100x your traffic and sales using an overlooked untapped strategy that bypasses all other forms of advertising, creating a lead generating system that brings in new leads and sales every single day. It's the ultimate viral referral marketing system that builds you an army of people desperate to promote your AutoTraffixPro campaigns with little to no advertising on your part. Simply put, your AutoTraffixPro campaigns will be seen all over the internet by people who have their credit card in hand ready to purchase. All this without using any form of paid advertising. AutoTraffixPro, license rights, $197. Here our students can sell AutoTraffixPro as their own product and keep 100% of the profits. And the best part is, we take care of all the support. You don't have to do anything, just collect your 100% profit and find a way to spend it. This is amazing for you if you do not have a product you sell online, and this plugin is something that every online marketer wants for their business. We know this is an insane deal for you that will make you a lot of money. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.